Sexual assault is against the law and it is a crime. To learn more about what sexual assault is, you can watch our What is Sexual Assault video on this website. Talking about sexual assault can be scary or hard. If something unwanted has happened to you, it is not your fault and it is not okay. Support and reporting options are available. At the end of the video, there are numbers you can call if you need support to help you feel better. You have the right to be treated with respect. You have the right to safety. You have the right to get help you need. You have the right to tell the police about what has happened. You have the right to not tell the police if you don't want to. Remember, it is your choice. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Remember, you can watch this video again if you need to.
Do you want to tell the police what happened by talking to the police face to face? You can do that by going to the police station closest to where you live. When you go into the police station, you can ask to speak to a police officer. You might like to ask for a private place to speak to the police officer. It is a good idea to have a support person go with you to the police station. The police officer will ask you what has happened. The police officer will ask you some questions like your name, your phone number, your address, why you want to speak to the police, and about what happened. It is important to tell the police officer about your disability or ask your support person to help you do this. The police may not be able to talk to you right away. The police officer will tell you what could happen next. You might have to wait for the police to call you, or they might tell you when to come back to the police station. It is important to let the police officer know if you don't understand what they are saying or ask for help from your support person. The police may talk to you about a type of police interview called 93A. Sometimes this is called a video recording statement. A 93A and video recording statement are the same thing. In Queensland, people with an intellectual or learning disability can have this type of interview. 93A interviews are also for people under 18 years of age. 93A interviews are for people to tell the police about a sexual assault or physical assault. Instead of writing down your statement, the police will record a video of you telling them what happened. 93A interviews are done by a specialist officer. The videos are usually recorded at the police station, but sometimes the police might come to your house or another safe place to do the interview. Police would like you to try doing the 93A interview on your own, but you are allowed to have a support person with you when you do the 93A interview. It is your right to have a support person when you talk to the police. A support person should be someone you can trust. Usually this is not a close family member or partner or carer. The support person cannot be the first person you told what happened or someone who witnessed what happened to you. A witness is a person who saw what happened or has some information about what happened. The police might want to talk to them about what happened. The support person can sit in the room with you, but they are not allowed to help you answer any questions the police ask you. During the interview, you are allowed to tell the police if you don't understand something. You are allowed to ask the police to ask something in a different way or use different words. You are allowed to ask the police if you need a break. You are allowed to tell the police you need more time. After your interview, a specialist officer may be assigned to work on your case. A police officer will contact you with updates. If you want to ask any questions after your interview, you can call the police officer who you spoke to. There are many ways which you can report sexual assault. To learn about those, you can watch our other videos. If you are in immediate danger, always call 000. If you would like to talk to the police and it is not an emergency, you can call Police Link on 131 444. If you need to speak to somebody about sexual or domestic violence, you can call 1-800-RESPECT on 1-800-737-732 anytime. If you need to speak to somebody about how you are feeling, you can call Lifeline on 131 114 anytime. If you need to talk to somebody about legal advice or information, you can call Women's Legal Service on 1-800-957-957, or you can call Legal Aid on 1300-651-188. The information in this video is correct in Queensland, Australia.